Easy science experiments you can do today. Welcome to our world of quick science experiments where curiosity meets fun and learning happens in minutes. Today, we're diving into the magic of chemistry with a simple yet fascinating experiment you can do at home. All you need is some vinegar, baking soda, and a bit of food coloring to witness an explosive chemical reaction. Mix them together, and watch as your mixture fizzes and bubbles, creating a colorful volcano right before your eyes. Next, we'll explore the wonders of physics by making a balloon rocket. It's easy, fast, and demonstrates action-reaction forces perfectly. Just inflate a balloon, attach it to a string, and let it go. The air rushing up propels it forward, showcasing Newton's third law. Finally, we'll wrap up with a dazzling light refraction experiment. A glass of water and a piece of paper are all it takes. Position the paper behind the glass and watch as the light bends, making the arrow drawn on the paper appear to reverse. These experiments not only entertain, but also spark curiosity and inspire a deeper love for science. Try them out and see for yourself.